Hi, my name is Alexandra and welcome to my studio. I have a new design and I'm excited to share it with you. So this is a sock design and it's those socks right here. They look quite much brighter in the camera than in real life, but it's actually beautiful shades of perfect neon pink. So it's actually like a vibrant hot pink and it looks a little more purple in a camera, but it's very hard to photograph or take a picture of it, but just trust me, it's absolutely gorgeous shade of pink and it's perfect. And of course it's by one and only La Bien-Aimée. And I am decided to make the socks with this yarn because I'm obsessed with this color. So let me tell you a little bit about design and then I'll tell you about the yarn. So I've designed those socks, and those are cable socks that kind of like a mid-calf. So it's more as a leisure socks. They are scrunchy when you put it on. So because I wanted to make something that I can share with my girls when we get together, my daughters, and I was designing it as a leisure socks that you would put it on when you're just having kind of like a self-love day, when you want to care for yourself, recoup, and spend a day in pajamas, maybe with a book, maybe just knitting, maybe whatever you want to do, watch Netflix, whatever you do when you're recouping, do yoga, but something in a beautiful pair of very comfy and bright socks. So I actually made 3 pairs, and for 2 of my daughters and myself, and of the same color. They are identical, but there is something about it that we just share this certain stuff together. So cable pattern, it's a 3-stitch cable, and it's combination, of course, of very bright pink and black contrast yarn. So for the contrast, I'll show you, like 20 grams, you need 20 grams or less of a contrast yarn. And the whole idea of it, that it's like a very comfy and easy socks. So in the pattern, I actually put it on how to make the full-blown like mid-calf, but also I have one of the samples in a shorter version. So this is like a crew socks, in case if you prefer that. So we, in my household, we like kind of scrunchy socks. So for leisure day, for a day of self-love and self-care, but it's very personal thing. So it's hard to see, but it's actually very nice, kind of like a rhythmic, narrow cable pattern that I love, 3-stitch cable. So it just works nice for me. And of course, the whole point, I call those socks Vivid Dream. And the whole point is just to kind of come up with 2 colors, which are very contrasting and very bright. So just something fun on your feet. But of course, again, you can do whatever you want. So I went with La Bien-Aimée. It's hard to see, La Bien-Aimée. And it's Merino Super Sock. It's 425 meters, 465 yards, 400 grams. So it's a big skein. And I used just a black merino wool for contrast. And you need, again, 20 grams or less. And I just love combination of black and hot pink. It just makes me, just love it. But again, it could be whatever you want to be. So you need little set of those. And of course, I use Chiagu needles always, and I use metallic. And you will need 1.5 for the top part, because again, I wanted them to be scrunchy and kind of like just kind of easy. And then you switch to size 1 from the heel to the tip of your toe, and it's you work them top down. So needles, 1.5 US and 1 US. And of course, you need my pattern. So my pattern is right here, Vivid Dream Socks. It's 5 pages. Not because it's difficult, but because I wanted to be very thorough. And on the end, I actually put sock anatomy too. So I try to take it like a little really step by step. So it's not the easiest, super easy, because I don't think sock could be easy in kind of level of kind of like a skill level, because you need intermediate skills to make socks. But at the same time, it's just fun. And so if you are new to sock knitting, this pattern would kind of guide you through. So it's really step by step. And again, like I included even sock anatomy. So if you're like, oh, where am I now? So you can just look here and figure out. So very easy. So my pattern has a written instruction and a chart, again, step by step, and just enjoy it. So if you make it, please tag me. I want to see your beautiful Vivid Dream socks, and I want to see the color combinations that you have. You can find this beautiful yarn in La Bien-Aimée website. So the color is As If. My favorite pink on earth is La Bien-Aimée As If. So, and it knits beautifully, just beautiful experience. And it's overall, it's just fun. So, yeah, self-love, self-care day, waiting for you, this pattern. Easy to, like, more or less easy to make, and just fun. So, well, thank you and happy knitting, and I'll see you soon. Bye.